Hey everybody, Gulf Coast CDC here. Got a quick unboxing review for you. If you saw the thumbnail, then you already know. So we got one from Kizer, and real excited about this one. Been waiting to get my hands on this thing for quite some time. Box here is pretty impressive. So slide out sleeve, and we have, at first I thought these were smudges on the box, but further inspection you can see that they're like, I don't know, lion head knockers with, you know, the rings in their mouths. That's pretty cool. And then the way the box opens up is pretty impressive too. Oh, so that's pretty nice. All right, so we'll open this up. Polishing cloth, some information there. Looks like we get some stickers. Oh, that's cool. I like stickers. Let's see, and then, okay, so we got some hardware, so get some extra mega springs in there and some screws. That's nice. That's always appreciated. Let's see, so then, okay, this is a nice nylon pouch. So nice and branded. Oh, that's, I don't know if you can see that. That's really nice. Yeah, okay. Some nice Velcro. All right. There we have it. So this, obviously, you already know it's the Drop Bear. I don't know what they're calling this color. Obviously it's titanium, and it has a stonewash finish, and then it has the fade, right? In my head, it's blueberry lemonade. I mean, it just is like blueberry lemonade color. So, so you can see we've got LC200N steel, nice pocket clip. It's recessed, that's nice. I don't know, you got holes here, but I don't think you can lefty this guy. Looks like it has not been routed out for your pocket clip here. Nice. Yeah, it's a pretty weighty feel. It's heavier feeling than I thought it would be. Okay, that's nice lockup for sure. Just a good looking knife. Look at me, I'm trying to reach for the liner lock. It is a much weightier knife, and you can kind of see there that I think that's, you got the steel liners that are, let's see if you can, like, you can see these black pieces here, black steel liners that are sandwiched underneath the titanium, which gives a little extra weight. So it's a little heavier than you might think that it's going to be, especially after, you know, maybe a bug out or even a titanium bug out or something of that nature. So a little weightier, still nice though. Nice action on the lock for sure. Of course, that's a sorry, the tension on that spring is nice. I want to say it's feels a little heftier than your bug out does. But it's nice because obviously you get the adjustment, and that's kind of the nice thing about this, right? I won't take it apart today, but you know, you can take this apart and you can adjust the mega springs inside there to give you more or less tension. So that's really nice. I'm looking forward to testing that out. So yeah, I remember when these were first coming out, they were just selling out everywhere and you just couldn't even get one. But you can get them now. They are available, and Kizer's running a sale on these. And of course, because it's, you know, near Knife Day, National Knife Day, Blade HQ's running a special to get free stuff. I think if you buy $125 worth of stuff, then you get like a sticker and a patch, and I think you also get like a little Gerber mini tool. So not a bad deal. And if you're looking for these, This guy right now looks like 143 and it's on sale. So nice. This is obviously it's not the most premium version, because they do have a premium version that has some higher quality materials than this, but this is kind of like the second tier down with a titanium. But 143 is a good price on this guy. Yeah, let's get some size comparisons on it. Let's see, got a bug out, and got a Delica 4, and here's a native 5, really tight native 5. Let's see, and here's a Quiet Carry the 9. So all of these are right in there, right? Obviously the biggest comparison here, closest, really is going to be the bug out. And looking at these two specifically, you're seeing that the Drop Bear is just a little bit shorter than the bug out over there, but not by much. But you can see that it's a little bit thicker. It is a thicker knife than the bug out. Those liners really give it that extra heft, but you can see the blade's not much. They're pretty close as far as blade thickness goes. Now the opening isn't quite as satisfying with this bug out. And the spring, I will say that on this one, the grabbers on the lock bar are recessed quite a bit. They're like undercover pieces there, so you know you got to kind of really be in there. Whereas this one sits up a little bit. There's a little bit of a hump right there. Makes it easier to grab. It's much more intuitive, and that lockup sound is much better. A little weightier though, but I like that. It's nice whenever you're holding it, you know that you're holding something, you know, it's got some weight to it. It's not crazy unbalanced where you're just gonna be like, you know, oh my gosh, this thing's just gonna fall out of my hand. It doesn't feel, it's not tip heavy, I guess. So that's good. It definitely feels good in the hand. That finish just real nice. I don't know if you really catch that on camera, but it's a fantastic finish. Really nice. Like I said, I don't know, you know, blueberry lemonade is kind of what it reminds me of. It's what I think every time I see it. Definitely nice. You got a little lanyard hold here for the lanyard hole folks. Yeah, I'll be interested to see after carrying this what this kind of feels like. Definitely a good looking knife, and a good price. $143. Definitely, if you're thinking about picking one up, I would. It's feels like it's definitely worth the money once you get it in hand. So, hey, if you guys like this kind of comment, like this. So let me know in the comments if you guys like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions or something I didn't go over. Or let me know if you have one or what your experience has been with it. I appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on the next one.